her out there. No, we gotta go help her. All right. Come on. Hey.
I know the terms, okay? Whoever dates the most girls in a week wins, but I'm telling you.
The most girls?
Carly, hey.
Where is it? Where? Oh. You're doing Dothrini. Happy anniversary.
All right, so let's just all calm down because Oh, Walter.
Which one of us is the best kisser?
Huh?
Security? We have a problem in Theater 7, male, Caucasian, sweaty, wearing a gray sweatshirt. And I know we're broken up, but that doesn't give you the right to rub your new boyfriend in my face.
He's not my boyfriend.
Like, I don't care what you call him.
He's my cousin.
You do?
I think you acted way more obnoxious.
Well, I'm just glad we're broken up.
Not as glad as I am.
Oh, really?
Really?
Okay.
No, not me. Megan made it. Later.
Dad, the closet.
Man, I cannot stand not knowing.
How are we gonna find out?
Okay, look, we're gonna blow off the concert Saturday night and follow Megan to the premiere.
She'll see us.
Hey, not if we're wearing disguises.
Interesting.
I just considered our 1 month anniversary presents.
Oh.
What's up with this guy?
Hey.
Oh, cool. I heard they got really good.
Sorry we didn't get your album back.
Didn't we?
You got it?
I wasn't leaving there without the Beatles.
Mindy Crenshaw! Come on out here, Mindy! Meet the Driggs.
What?
Your manager did.
Yeah. He said it was illegal. I know. Which is why you're fired. What? You can't fire me.
Yeah, Drake said that you guys were going to the water park together.
Yeah, yes, uh-huh.
Church at the ocean and I left, a radio plummeting to Earth. Drake, you ready? No, I'm not jumping with you, Josh.
What's this? A bill? That's how much you owe me for my new helicopter. What? $400,000?
Boys, you're both grounded.
But Dad.
Grounded 2 weeks.
But it wasn't our fault.
Upstairs.
Yes, sir.
Night.
This is our competition. Why don't you make me? I have swallowed things more frightening than you.
These 2 girls out of here.
No! You cannot take me! They can't leave now!